Hi guys, special shout out to Jordan Mackey. I just wanted to give a quick review. I bought his bundle course, which I thought was the best value option at the time. And I've gone through his content. He's got a lot of value. He creates a lot of value and he keeps on adding to that value. And I haven't personally started yet with my YouTube channel, but as I've just bought it basically, and I'm still working at the moment, but I've seen huge success with other members, and in the 9 to 5 Facebook group as well, there's a lot of engagement and there's a lot of people having success. He basically, everyone that I speak to, they all say that how much value he has and how much content he provides to get you through all the steps from the beginning to the end, right to the end. I know there's a lot of other courses out there which don't offer as much content and value as what he does. They just have like pieces of courses, you know, just like short explanations of different things and whatever, whereas he goes into depth and he provides a lot of content, you know. So anyone, even from a newbie to an advanced person, this is the course to go for, because he explains everything from the beginning to the end and he takes you through all the steps, you know, which is it's a great course and it's very valuable, and I can't wait to have the success and drive that everybody else is having at the moment. It's awesome. I'm very excited to get started, and I'm really happy with my purchase, to be honest.